Let's chat about 5 easy digital product ideas that you can list in your Etsy shop to start making some sales. My name is Lucretia, and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom and an Etsy seller. Etsy has really blessed our family as a one-income family with some extra income, and so I want to pay it forward and help you come up with some easy digital product ideas so that you can start making some extra income too. And if you want to know how I make sales on Etsy as a busy mom with very limited time to work on my Etsy shop, head to the description and grab my free Etsy starter guide where I walk you through the process of how I make sales on Etsy. So I'm going to share my screen and show you my eRank dashboard, which is the tool that I use to come up with all of my digital product ideas. So this is my eRank dashboard. And one thing I like to point out is over here, these trending categories. So eRank does help you figure out which type of products are trending right now. So one of the fastest way to make sales on Etsy is to list trending or seasonal products. So trending products are things that are very popular right now, usually made popular by like TikTok or social media. And so eRank is going to give you some product ideas right here. And seasonal products are products that are popular during a certain season of the year. So, like in the fall season, we have things like Halloween, we have back to school, Christmas, Thanksgiving. So, those are all seasonal products. They're just going to give you a big boost in sales at the end of the year, but then those sales will die down as that season ends. So, the fastest way to make sales on Etsy is by listing seasonal or trending products. So, let's hop into product idea number one, which is a wedding checklist. So, what I like to look at whenever I'm using eRank is the average searches and the Etsy competition. So the average searches is if you hover over this question mark here, it'll tell you that it's the average monthly searches on Etsy based on the past 12 months of Etsy data. So eRank gets their data from Etsy. So they are telling you that there are approximately 1,500 searches for wedding checklist on Etsy. And I like the average searches to be more than 300 because that lets me know that people are actively searching for this product. And then for the competition, this just lets you know how much competition you can expect with this keyword on Etsy search results pages. And so you can expect about the competition to be around 10,000. And I like to keep my competition less than 20,000. So whenever I type in a product idea or a keyword into eRank, I like for all of these bars to be green because that lets me know that there is a high search volume. So a lot of people are searching for this product and low competition, which means not a lot of people are making this product just yet. And so that's how you're going to stand out on Etsy by creating products that a lot of people are searching for, but not many people are making them. And I put this as an easy product idea because you can easily go to Google and type in PLR wedding checklist, and you will get results of products that are already created. And the creator is giving you permission to edit that product and list it in your Etsy shop. Product idea number two is an Excel budget. So you can see here the average searches are about 600 per month, which is more than the 300 per month that I like to stay above. And the competition is still around 10,000, which is less than the 20,000 cutoff that I have. If it's more than 20,000 competition, I find that it's pretty hard to get my products found. So I like to keep my competition under 20,000 so it's easier for me to stand out. And so with this Excel budget, you can see that it does spike at different times throughout the year. So of course, January, it really spikes because that's when people are doing their New Year's resolutions and they are wanting to manage their money better. So at the end of the year is when you're going to see a spike in these Excel budgets, but they do sell pretty well throughout the year and they start picking up in sales around June, July, and then they really spike through January. And again, with this product, I made it an easy product idea because you can go ahead and buy this as a PLR Excel budget. So the creator has already created this budget and they're giving you permission to resell it as your own. So if you go to Google, type in PLR Excel budget, you'll get plenty of options of done for you Excel budgets that you can list in your Etsy shop as your own digital product. Product idea number three is Christmas trivia, and this is a seasonal product. So it's going to pick up sales as we can see over here in December, but then it's not going to sell very well throughout the rest of the year. But December, you are going to get a huge spike in sales for this Christmas trivia. It gets over on average 400 searches per month, but that's because people are not actively searching for this all throughout the year. They're mainly just searching around like November, December. So this is going to be a product that is just going to spike in sales and the sales are going to die down. And so you can see here, there's not a lot of competition, only 4,000 for the competition, which is great. And I do recommend having a mixture of seasonal and trending products and a mixture of evergreen products. So evergreen products sell year round. So the Excel budget, that would be an evergreen product because people are working on their budget and trying to manage their money all throughout the year. But it does spike in sales around January, but people are going to buy that product all throughout the year. Unlike this Christmas trivia, people aren't really buying Christmas trivia all throughout the year. It's really just going to have a major spike in sales and then just sales are going to stop completely. So this is a seasonal product. And so I recommend having evergreen products that will sell all throughout the year and seasonal and trending products that will give you those spikes in sales, but those sales are going to die down as well. Digital product idea number 4 is a Notion Life Planner. And so we can see here all green bars, which is what I like to see on eRank. So there's over 1,200 searches per month. The competition is only 4,000, so not a lot of people are making Notion Life Planners. And these are easy to make because as with the rest of the products, you can buy it done for you. So you'll just type in PLR Notion Life Planner into Google and just choose which one you like, and you can list it as your own in your Etsy shop. And so we can see here with the search trend, this gets pretty decent searches throughout the year with some major spikes in certain months. But this is an evergreen product that will get you sales all throughout the year. So you shouldn't expect a huge drop off in your sales, like a huge spike and then a huge drop off. This is going to get you some pretty consistent sales. If you are wanting to make daily sales in your Etsy shop, this is a good idea to get listed because people are going to be buying this all throughout the year. Digital product idea number 5 are escape rooms. And so when you are listing this product on Etsy, you would want to make sure you use escape room at the very beginning of your product title. You want to make sure you have escape room as a tag, and you want to make sure you use escape room in the very first part of your product description. And that's going to let Google and Etsy know what your product is so they know exactly who to show it to. And so with this, you have the average searches. It gets over 1,300 searches per month. The competition is 8,000, which is super low. This has all green bars, which is exactly what we want when we're listing a digital product on Etsy, because that means it has high search volume and low competition. And with these escape rooms, you can see they're doing some pretty decent sales all throughout the year. So people are actively searching for this product. People are buying this product all throughout the year. And that's what we want. This again is an evergreen product, and that is going to help you make sales all throughout the years so that you can make sales every single day if you have a good mixture of evergreen products. And then you will also have some seasonal and trending products in there as well to get those big spikes in sales too randomly throughout the year. And our bonus product idea is going to be a shadow work journal. So we could see here it gets over 600 searches per month, and the competition is very low with only 4,000. So this again is going to be an evergreen product that people will buy all throughout the year, and it's going to give you just a steady flow of sales that makes your income more predictable because it is an evergreen product, although it does have a spike here around November, which makes sense because it's getting close to the end of the year when people are working on those New Year's resolutions. So to create this, I would definitely just go to Google, type in PLR Shadow Work Journal, and grab one of those, edit it, and get it listed into your Etsy shop so that you can start making some sales on Etsy. So those are the 6 easy digital product ideas that you can get listed in your Etsy shop, and most of them you don't even have to create them yourself. You can grab a PLR version of that product that's already done for you and get it edited and listed in your Etsy shop in less than an afternoon. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you want even more digital product ideas, go ahead and watch this playlist here where I put all of my easy Etsy digital product ideas that are great for beginners who are wanting to make some sales on Etsy.